Frizzy hair can be strong. Frizzy hair can be frustrating, but there's some easy ways to make it smoother. So here's some simple tips you can try to even make it shinier. So first of all, you got to use the right shampoo and conditioner. Use the ones labeled moisturizing or anti-frizz. These products are going to help your hair stay hydrated. And when you're washing your hair, be gentle and avoid using hot water. It can dry out your hair. After you wash your hair, gently towel dry it, and instead of rubbing your hair, try patting it to remove any extra frizz. This helps prevent more frizz. Next, apply a leave-in conditioner or a hair oil. So this adds moisture and can help tame the frizz. So when you style your hair, condition using a wide tooth comb instead of a brush, and it's gonna prevent breakage or frizz. When you use a distiller or a hair dryer, avoid using too many heat tools, straighteners, curling irons. They can make more frizz. So when you want to use them, always apply a heat protectant first. And with these tips, you can enjoy, smoother, less frizzy hair. I left it all in the description, everything I just said.